Let's talk about one of the hardest decisions you'll ever make: when and for how much to sell your company. When we got our first acquisition offer of $20 million, everyone thought we were absolutely insane to pass. But we knew our worth and we bet on ourselves. When considering your exit, keep in mind financial readiness. Have you reached your goal? What about the taxes? Market timing. Think both macro and micro. Is this a good time to sell? And personal goals. How does this fit into your career? A year later, we sold for $40 million. Sometimes the best deals are the ones you don't take until the time is right. How to know it's a good time? The growth trajectory consideration. Is your business on a growth path exponentially upward? Your personal energy, can you keep doing it? And offer quality. How long till you get another offer like this? Before deciding, know and push for your worth. Consider things other than the financials and plan post-exit. You're going to feel super weird after you sell. Next, we tackle what happens to your life after you sell.